XSmart Portfolio app. The pros, the cons. XSmart Portfolio is designed to simplify investing with automated portfolio management. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros: automation. Contributions are automatically invested and rebalanced according to your risk profile. Second, simplicity. The interface is clean and setting up an account takes just minutes. Third, diversification. Portfolios include ITs across multiple sectors and regions, helping spread risk. Now, the cons. Limited advanced tools. You won't find deep analytics or stock picking capabilities. Another drawback: fees. While competitive, long-term costs may add up compared to self-directed investing. The surprising truth? XSmart Portfolio is great for beginner and passive investors, but active traders may find it restrictive. In short, the pros: automated investing, simplicity and diversification make XSmart Portfolio ideal for hands-off investors. The cons: limited tools and ongoing fees mean it's not the platform for advanced trading strategies.